Presenting Zest for Toyz Beauty Makeup Kit. This cosmetic set is ideal for 3-year-olds and above. The dimensions of the package of this set: 63 cm in length, 53 cm in width, and 24.5 cm in height, and weighs 1.2 kg. It is made from plastic material and is a multi-color product. This cosmetic set comes with a foldable carrying case in which you can store all the pieces. There are drawers which can be used for other equipments such as combs, bracelets, nail enamel, rings, lipsticks, and hair accessories. It comes with a dressing table which is 53 cm by 22 cm. The mirror can emit a sound when pressed on a pink heart-shaped button. This mirror requires 3 AAA batteries. This set is lightweight and easy to carry product. This product can help to develop kids' fine motor skills as well. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.